BJ.
And more today, Winton School. I'm Casey Undercover. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for are-hoe, the 3rd of November.
Okay, let's get into te Kupu or te Wiki. This week's word is he-a-moy,
which is te reo for sleepy, as in kei te hiamoe ahau. I am sleepy.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh, it's time to shoot the news already. Okay, health and safety news. Year 5, 6, 7 and 8 students are allowed over the road at interval and lunchtime.
You must make sure you use the pedestrian crossing correctly.
If you want to retain the privilege, use the crossing tamariki.
High vis vest, part of the uniform, and so good seeing nearly everyone wearing them to and from school. Ka pai.
And remember your sunhats at playtimes and lunchtimes. Thank you.
WINTON'S Got Talent. Seniors, you're up next week. Keep working on your acts.
Are you entering Winton's Got Talent, BJ?
No.
That's a shame. Birthday news. A big day today for Amanda Rose McMath, who is turning 9.
Happy birthday, Amanda Rose. Rafao no kia koe.
Okay, that's all for today. From everyone here at N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Stay sharp and haere rā, Winton School.